Hello students, welcome to the physics class. In this class we are going to discuss the capacitor and capacitance. So what is a capacitor? Capacitor is a device that stores electrostatic field energy. Capacitor provides temporary storage of energy in circuits and can be made to release the energy when required. Okay. Then what is capacitance? The property of capacitor that characterizes its ability to store energy is called its capacitance. So we have an isolated conductor of radius r. An electrical conductor holds its charge at its surface. As we know that the property of conductor that if we give a charge plus q or minus q for conductor of radius r, the whole charge resides on its outer surface. We already know that. So when a conductor of radius r is given with a charge q, its potential is given by V is equal to kq upon r. As we know that the conductor of radius r given a charge q act as a point charge, and the potential due to a point charge is equal to V equal to kq upon r. This tells that potential of an isolated conductor directly proportional to its charge. V is equal to kq upon r. This k is constant and this r is constant for a particular radius r, for a conductor of particular radius r. So from this relation we can say that this V is directly proportional to this q for this isolated conductor of radius r. So V is proportional to q. So q by V is equal to constant, the ratio of charge given an isolated conductor and its potential rise, which is defined as the capacitance of the conductor denoted by C. So this ratio q by V, the ratio of charge given to an isolated conductor and its potential rise. As we know that this V is directly proportional to q. As we increase this charge for an isolated conductor, this potential automatically rises. So this ratio q by V is equal to constant, and this ratio is known as the ratio of charge given to an isolated conductor and its potential rise is known as the capacitance. C is equal to q by V. किसी आइसोलेटेड कंडक्टर जिसकी रेडियस r है, अगर आप उसका पोटेंशियल बढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो आप उसके अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज को क्या करेंगे, इंक्रीज करेंगे. जितना आप चार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ इंक्रीज करेंगे पोटेंशियल ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होता जाएगा, राइज होता जाएगा. सो दिस रेशियो q बाई वी जो कोई हमेशा क्या रहेगा, कांस्टेंट. दिस कांस्टेंट रेशियो इज नोन एज द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ अ कंडक्टर डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल C. इफ V इज इक्वल टू 1, सपोज दैट अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज जिसमें द चार्ज रिक्वायर्ड, दैट अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज रिक्वायर्ड टू राइज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ कंडक्टर बाय 1 वोल्ट. इफ V इक्वल टू 1 तो C किसके बराबर होगा, Q. C इज इक्वल टू Q. तो इसको कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे फिजिकली, the amount of charge required to rise the potential of the conductor by 1 volt is known as capacitance. In SI system, the unit of capacitance is farad. So 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 volt. So 1 farad is a very large unit of capacitance. 1 farad जो है वो बहुत लार्ज यूनिट है कैपेसिटेंस का. इसका एग्जांपल मैं आपको आगे दूंगा कि अर्थ इटसेल्फ कंडक्टर है, तो जब उसका अपन कैपेसिटेंस निकालेंगे तो 1 फेरेड से कम आएगा. तो 1 फेरेड इज वेरी लार्ज यूनिट ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस. सो फॉर प्रैक्टिकल पर्पसेस वी यूज मिली फेरेड, दैट इज इक्वल टू 10⁻³ फेरेड, माइक्रो फेरेड दैट इज इक्वल टू 10⁻⁶ फेरेड, एंड पिको फेरेड इज इक्वल टू 10⁻12 फेरेड. नाउ डायमेंशन का क्वेश्चन जो है वो पूछा जाता है. Dimension of capacitance. So formula of capacitance is charge upon potential. The charge. As we know that the unit, the dimension of charge is, charge की dimension कहाँ से निकालेंगे, करंट की definition से. I is equal to charge flow per unit time. I is equal to Q by T. Q is equal to I multiplied by T. So dimension of charge is AT. Now potential. As we know that potential is work done per unit charge. तो वर्क डन पर यूनिट चार्ज आपका ऊपर चला जाएगा. तो डायमेंशन ऑफ चार्ज इज AT एंड डायमेंशन ऑफ वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू द डायमेंशन ऑफ एनर्जी m1 L2 T minus 2. So by solving this, we got m minus 1, L minus 2, T4, A2. This is the dimension of capacitance. So ये क्वेश्चन जो है पूछा जाता है कि राइट डाउन द डायमेंशन ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस. सीधा आपसे पूछ लेंगे व्हाट डू यू मीन या व्हाट इज कैपेसिटेंस. राइट डाउन इट्स डायमेंशंस फॉर 1 मार्क्स. So capacitance of a conductor depends upon the size and the shape of conductor and the nature of medium. तो इसको मैथमेटिकली अपन प्रूव करके देखेंगे कि किसी भी कंडक्टर का जो कैपेसिटेंस है वो डिपेंड करेगा उसकी साइज एंड शेप ऑफ द कंडक्टर एंड द नेचर ऑफ द मीडियम. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ एन isolated spherical conductor. So we have a isolated spherical conductor of radius capital R having charge plus Q. Let charge Q given to a spherical conductor of radius R, then the potential on it is V is equal to KQ upon R. As we know that it acts as a point charge and potential due to a point charge is equal to V is equal to KQ upon R, and the potential on the surface of spherical conductor of radius R is equal to V is equal to KQ upon R. We already studied this in the electric potential. As we know that the capacitance C is equal to the ratio of charge given to the conductor and its potential rise Q upon V. So Q upon the potential of this spherical conductor is KQ by R, KQ upon R. So this Q get cancelled, R upon K, and K is equal to this K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This K is proportionality constant 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So the capacitance of spherical conductor C is 4 pi epsilon naught R. जो हमने यहाँ पे कहा था कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ कंडक्टर डिपेंड्स अपॉन साइज एंड शेप ऑफ द कंडक्टर. So C is directly proportional to R. R is the radius of the spherical conductor, and second one is the nature of the medium, and C is proportional to this epsilon naught, which is the permittivity of that particular medium. So the capacitance of a conductor depends upon size and shape of the conductor and the nature of the medium. Capacitance of a spherical conductor of radius capital R is equal to C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. Now let's discuss a conceptual question that find out the capacitance of earth. As I described earlier, that farad is a very large unit of capacitance. So earth is a spherical conductor of radius R is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. The radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. As we know that earth is a spherical conductor, so capacitance of earth is equal to कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ अर्थ क्या हो जाएगा अगर उसको स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर की तरह ट्रीट करें. सी इज इक्वल टू क्यू बाई वी. तो और अपन जानते हैं उसका फॉर्मूला सी इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर. तो 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 1 अपन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इज इक्वल टू के. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, के की वैल्यू जो आप यहाँ पे प्लेस करेंगे क्या करेंगे 9 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर 9, और आर का वैल्यू आपका हो जाएगा 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6. So by calculating this we got 711 into 10 raised to power minus 6 farad is equal to 711 microfarad. Therefore we say that the farad is a big unit. जो जैसा अपन आगे का था farad जो है वो बहुत लार्ज यूनिट है कैपेसिटेंस का, क्योंकि अर्थ जिसका रेडियस 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 है उसका भी कैपेसिटेंस जो है वो माइक्रोफेरेड की यूनिट्स में आ रहा है. सो thus 1 farad is a large unit of capacitance. So this is the example. So for today this is it. In next lecture we are going to discuss the parallel plate capacitor. Thank you.